If you've ever been in a CAD program and tried to enter feet and inches and or point angle precision angles to degrees, minutes, and seconds, entering it in, you know it's a challenge. So I'm going to go through, if you've ever come up against this, just watch and I'll show you. There's a couple different, like all of this stuff, there's always just a number of different ways to do the same thing. This is, I'm going to try to go and do the most common ones, right? So here we have a box. It's pretty small, so 18 foot, 2 and 7/16 by 35 foot, 3.5. So, well, actually, I would say it the other way, right? Width first, and then height, typically. And then I'm going to show you how to enter that. So let's just draw the box again. Let's go to rectangle, insert, point relative with the apostrophe. 35 plus, there's two ways to do it. I'm going to do the long way first. Open parenthesis 3 plus 1/2, close parentheses, divided by 12. And what you've done is you've taken 3 plus 1/2 is 3.5, put it in parentheses and divided it by 12. You told it 3.5 twelfths, which is 3.5 inches, because your whole number here is going to be in feet. So you hit that, and then you hit this one. It would be 18 plus, open parentheses, 2 and 7/16 plus 7 divided by 16, close parenthesis, and divided by 12. Enter. Now it creates the drawing. There's another way to do it if you've memorized these. And when I was working with Auotcad, that's what I did. So you could make to memorize the decimal inches right here. It just changes, right? Here's the formula. It's random between 1 and 12. This one's random between 1 and 16. And then this just adds those two together, gives you a decimal inch. And if you want, you just go through these and you memorize them. Pretty soon you realize that 0.3125 is a 16th over a quarter, 20.25 plus 0.0625. And there's a 16th, and there's 3/8, and there's a 7/8. There's an even 15/16, quarter, 875 is 7/8. 4375 would be a 16 under an eighth, which is under half, which would be 7/16. 7/16, 9/16, 1/16. 6875. That's interesting. So that's I remember that one. 625 plus a 16th, so it's 11/16. And then 4375 is 7/16, eighth. 1875 is 3/16, and 0.375 is 3/8, 1/16, 1/4, 11/16, 13/16, 13/16, 1/2. So there's a way to go through those and just memorize them. It's real simple to do. I don't know that I ever did it, but I did it to show people. So that's what I'm doing with you. And there's another way to put that in here. So let's say you go, let's delete that. And then you're going to go point relative, right? 35 plus, and we already know, what I did. Apostrophe 35 plus, and if you know the 3.5, you just go 3.5 divided by 12, no parentheses needed. If you want to go 18, V, point relative, tab, 18. Why don't I just do the rectangle again? Thought I had done that. Oh yeah, I did. Point relative, 35 plus 3.5 divided by 12, tab, 18 plus 2.4375 divided by 12, no parentheses needed. And then you get the same result. And then we would get the same result if we had it in the same format. Thousandths here will get you within the 16ths, and then the format. All right. That's how you do it. And then the degrees, minutes, and seconds. Let's just draw the line right through the middle of that. JC, J is your telling it that you want to do something special. Like V, if you want to draw this angle between those two lines, you go J, and then there's a shortcut. Same angle as 2 points, no shortcut for that one. Just click on the 2 points, and it'll lock it into that angle. You could just say, or we can do like we're doing now, JC for custom angle, and then go 27 plus 17 minutes, right? 17 divided by 60 plus 5 divided by, or no, 3.4 divided by 3600. And hit OK, and that'll release you on that angle, right? It'll trim out right to that point. Within, whatever the tolerance is, it's going to be a tenth of a second. Could be within like a millionth of an inch or millionth of a foot. Oh, Control M, right there. There's really no error. Tenth of a second at decimal distance is just too small to measure. I could see it, but it's too small to measure. And that's how you do that. I think I did the 3.4 seconds somewhere. I think I said 5 seconds though. I started out and then I changed it. Yeah, right here I put in, that would be the formula for 5 seconds, but it's right. Actually, it was 3.4 seconds. I was just seeing what the difference was between 1 second at decimal distance. It was like 128th of an inch or something. All right, so I hope that helps you do that. And like I said, in AutoCAD, you can do these calculations and then copy the answer and then paste it into the custom angle that you want or in the custom distance. Or you can memorize the numbers of inches, the fractions of an inch. Pretty much if you just go to 16ths, I never did more than that. If you memorize those, you'll be able to draw it up, but check them because it's easy to get them mixed up. So I hope that helps you in your career, and it helps help make it easier and be more productive in your career. And thanks for watching.